It has been a record-breaking year for tornadoes in Illinois.
As thousands of families grapple with disaster cleanup, tonight a closer look at when the feds step in to offer assistance and when they don't.
Political reporter Chris Ty here now with insight from city leaders who have just dealt with these deadly storms and whether politics is at play here.
That's the big question here, Joe and Erica. Last summer, you may remember, FEMA denied Illinois requests for aid after summer storms in Will, Cook, and McHenry counties. The governor called the federal rejection politically motivated. Last March in Kankakee, after a deadly tornado roared through Aroma Park, the governor was bullish on getting federal aid. We've learned now those dollars won't be coming.
You can see that this community needs help. And so that is not always the case. I think my confidence comes from the idea that politics shouldn't play a role. I don't think that it will play a role.
That's how the governor framed his bullishness in Aroma Park getting some federal money back in March. When we learned FEMA dollars weren't coming this morning, we asked the governor. So when you said to us in March you don't think politics will play a part, do you now think that politics did play a part in the thumbs down for Aroma Park?
It's hard to tell. I will say, here's what it's hard to say that this administration doesn't have politics playing a part in virtually all of its decision making, even when there are lives at risk.
This afternoon, though, we learned it wasn't a matter of FEMA denying a request. Illinois never made a request. The governor never mentioned that in our questions. In a statement today, FEMA telling us, quote, FEMA did not receive a request for a major disaster declaration from the state of Illinois or Indiana for the March 10th, 2026 event, something echoed by the mayor of Aroma Park.
IEMA was here. They did surveys of the area. They actually went out several days in a row and did assessment damage, and they didn't feel that we meet the threshold.
To qualify for FEMA dollars, a threshold of spending needs to occur, and a decision was made between Kankakee County and Springfield that threshold wasn't met, so the FEMA request wasn't made. A threshold Pritzker says the Trump administration is trying to make even higher, then harder for victims to access.
They've raised the thresholds for getting support. They've made it harder for communities to get support. It's quite disappointing.
The state did help secure federal aid through the Small Business Administration, offering Kankakee tornado victims low to no interest one-year loans. 162 communities statewide have been hit by tornadoes so far this year. A record-breaking year of damage, rebuilding, and a need for clarity when it comes to finding critical dollars. We asked the governor's team for an on-the-record statement for why Governor Pritzker didn't mention that the request for FEMA dollars was never made. When we asked about it explicitly this morning, we have not heard back here at 5 o'clock.
Have the state or the local government said how close or how far away they are from this threshold?
All they would say is that they did their due diligence. They were out there for many, many days. State, city, and county officials, and they determined that the threshold that needed to be met wasn't there, and so they did not put forward the request.
That's hard to believe looking at the damage there.
And remember, we have 162 touchdowns this year. A lot of these kind of stories percolating.
Thanks, Chris.
You bet.